Hello and welcome back to another presentation of Ingis Tech. This video will show cooker fault finding and repair procedure. Now I'm going to be working on this Bexel freestanding electric cooker with 4-plate hob. But the process should be similar for most makes and models. Now don't worry if you have got a built-in appliance, this video should still be helpful. But the process of removing hob or getting access to the cooker plate will be different. So before you start, remember, safety first. Always make sure you unplug your electric appliance from the mains plug before you carry out any repair work. Now this is my 4-plate electric hob I bought about 1 year ago, but the problem started just before the warranty finished. Also during the COVID time, I could not contact with anyone regarding the warranty. Now the main fault is that when you start working, this too large plate, it suddenly make the short circuit and the mains power switch get off. Now the reason I will explain at the end of the video. I will start changing the hob, and I will show you the procedure how to just change the hob. As you can see, there are one pair of screw on each side, left and right. I am unpairing them. So I'm using the star screwdriver, and this is the basic tool I'm using. I'm using one star screwdriver, one plier, and one wire cutter. That's all you need. Now once you unscrew all the 4 screws, you just slide back and you can open it. The main problem is that there is a earthing cable just connected with the back of the cooker, which you have to disconnect first, and which get disconnected very frequently. You will see it later on more details. Now I have already disconnected them and I flip them over, and now you can see how it is connected, how all the 4 hobs connected. There are 4 cables connected with each hob. And you just flip them over carefully. Make sure you don't damage any of the wirings. The good thing is that there are some foam paddle there, so where you can easily lay the whole flat plate. Now you can see all the 4 wires are connected with some 4-pin connector. This 4-pin connector, what I found is that it is permanent. It looks like it's temporary. It means that you can take it off and put it back again, but this is not the case. You can take them off. They are permanently connected with this hob. So now what I have to do is I have to cut them off with the wire cutter. That's what I will do now. I have used the most common plier for all the jobs. You can use another washer remover as well, but this plier I found is sufficient for my job. Now I will cut one by one, but before I cut anything, so I must take the picture of the right wire combination. So it is really helpful, and I also recommend you keep taking picture as you are progressing in your job. For any repair, removal or engineering works, you need to take picture all the time just to keep the record of right combination of the setting. Here you can see I have disconnected them. Now the hob plate, the cooking plate, the faulty cooking plate, I will remove from the panel, and it is connected with this washer and the screw. I will unscrew them with my plier. First I will remove the earth cable. As you can see, I'm removing the earth cable. Now unscrew it with my hand, because I have loosened it with the plier. Just unscrew it with your hand, and make sure you keep one of your hand other side of the plate, because it just fell down. So make sure you don't break any of the screw threading, because when you put the new cooker plate, this screw thread is important. If it is broken, then the whole panel, whole beam holding it need to be changed. And now you can see I have removed it. It's really easy and straightforward. As you can see, this is the plate, and this is the permanent cabling thingy. You can't remove. Now I will unpack my new plate, which I bought from iEspare.com, and it cost about £27. As you can see, I'm just taking it off. This is the new plate, and as you can see, the connecting port, connecting sockets are different from the one I had previously. The previous one was permanent, but this one is easy to fit. So I'm just comparing them side by side. As you can see, they are same on their size and makes and models, but they are different on their socket port. I will carefully slide it inside. And put back all the screws. The good thing is I have already took the picture, so now I can see the picture. If I forget anything, all the right combination, I just want to set it like for like basis, so that nothing much I have to think twice, and the wire combinations are all right, so there is no possibility of damage or any kind of accident. Now time to put back all 4 wirings. I could not find my wire cutter, so I'm using my small knife to cut the wire. But this is dangerous, like there is a possibility I can cut my hand, but thanks God that nothing happens. Now here you can see I have connected all the 4 wires. Now it is all ready to put back now. I will next proceed of putting it back now. Carefully I will put back the panel, but before I put back, I must reconnect the earthing cable just on the right hand side far end, the small side, at the back of the small hob. There is a earthing cable. It is a bit tricky. I just put it inside. I will try to show you. Here you will see the earthing cable. I'm just taking it off, and it's a sliding mechanism, that earthing cable. The socket is a slide socket. You just slide it, you just push it upwards, and it get fit. But without that earthing cable, there could be short circuit problem. So make sure you don't disconnect anything during your repair work. If you are not really competent of doing this kind of work, obviously my whole thing is for reference purpose. Don't take it as a textbook. You need your more than basic knowledge of doing this thing. Obviously the whole tutorial I'm showing, it is a real job. That means that I have solved a real problem. But it is again for reference purposes. You need your own knowledge, and you need to do your own research. There are plenty of videos in iEblog.com you can use as a reference purpose. Now as you can see, I'm sliding back the top cooker plate. Make sure you put inside the switching knob thingy, and you adjust the cooker the screw hole, so that you can put the screw back inside. So we are almost at the end of the video. If you like this tutorial, press the like button. If you don't like it, press the thumb down button. I would not mind. I would really appreciate your comment, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Hopefully I will see you next time. Thank you.